Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and learners. I am Salient Chemist MMW from Panwakil Sakha. Today we discuss Charles Law. Charles Law was introduced in 1787. A French physicist, Jacques Charles, discovered the correlation between the temperature and volume, assuming pressure and amount of gas remain constant. Charles' law mathematically is given as volume directly proportional to T. Now remove the proportionality, so it can be written as V is equal to Y into T, or it can be written as V is equal to K into T. It is the first sample where Y or K is a constant depending on amount of gas and pressure. Volume is directly proportional to temperature. Now consider Charles' law graphically. As you can observe, graph having red line. Red line shows the relationship between the volume and temperature. It rises from bottom to top. It means when temperature is increased, volume will be increased. When temperature is decreased, volume will be decreased. It means a straight line shows the relationship between volume and temperature directly. Linear line means directly. If we increase the temperature, volume will be increased. In other form of the equation, assuming there are two sets of conditions and settings, both constants to each other, that might help solve problems is with the help of following formula. V1 upon T1 is equal to Y, whereas V2 upon T2 is also equal to Y, where Y is constant. Now consider the sample. A sample of carbon dioxide in a pump is a volume of 20.5 ml and it is 840 centigrade. When the amount of gas and pressure remain constant, find the new volume of carbon dioxide in the pump if temperature is increased to 65.0 centigrade. Now consider here are two containers, one having high size, one having more volume, second having lowest value of volume. One having high value of volume, it means it has a high value of temperature. Second having lowest value of volume, it means it is kept at lowest value. Already I have mentioned that if we increase the temperature, volume will be increased. If we decrease the temperature, volume will be decreased. Solution. Here, for the solution of given sample is a formula V2 is equal to V1 into 2 upon T1. It is the gas law. Now put the values of data in this formula. 20.5 ml into 60 plus 273.15 Kelvin. Both are added in this way, divided by T1 having value 40. It is also added with 273.17. After division and multiplication, we have gotten here value of volume is 22.1 ml. It means earlier initial volume is less as compared final value. It means after increasing temperature, volume here is increased. Thank you for watching it. Be safe. Be safe at home. Stay at home. Thank you. God bless you.